Hello friends, welcome to Kadhai and Grill. Let's try making some spicy grilled pineapple today. Try cutting the pineapple in evenly sliced pieces. This will help you when you start grilling the pineapple on the griddle. Let's take the ingredients in a bowl. Mix the ingredients into a paste. Let's skewer the pineapple pieces. I have used bamboo skewers. You can very well use metal ones. I love cooking on cast iron. Apply oil on a heated griddle. Place the skewers on the heated griddle and start applying the paste we made earlier. Start turning the skewers and you will see the wonderful grill marks on the pineapple. Start applying the spices on the other side too. Keep turning the skewers until you feel that the pineapple has caramelized on both the sides. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy my videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.